know, it's true. Because everyone's here, everyone's learning. Yay. Yay. True that. Alright. So remember from yesterday, it is new minus old divided by old, right?
Are you recording?
Yes, I am. It's just a quick little recap of yesterday. I'm gonna go a lot faster. I'm gonna show you. I want you to use a calculator for some of these, just because the numbers are kind of a little bit weird. Let's say in 1998, when I was your age. Combo number 1 cost, let's say, $7. Combo number 1, a Big Mac, fries, and a Coke, because that's combo number 1, right? At the McDonald's. I don't know. Egg McMuffin. Egg McMuffin. In 2022, the same combo number 1, cost now,
$12.
okay, let's say $12.
Oh, wait, really?
I don't know. They're expensive now. When I was a kid.
How much did they cost when you were a kid?
I don't remember, but I know it was probably around maybe $5 for the whole combo. But now the combo, just a sandwich costs $5, let alone the combo. Let me know. Next time you go to McDonald's, take a picture of the board, and then...
Why did the price go up? Why did the gas station go up?
Inflation, economics. Where do I start? All right. So what number so here is my formula, right? I got to plug in a number here, here, and here. There's 3 numbers I got to plug in. 1, 2, 3. What number do I type in first, or write first? 12. Why 12? Because that's my new price, right?
I didn't know it's your new price.
Because it says 2022. How do I know? When it's in a word problem, it's all based on was, were, English. Here I got rid of most of the English and just wrote it by days. Okay, 12 minus 7, right? Is it 7? Over 7. Some of you forgot to write this bottom number. It's no, it has to be, it's written as a fraction form. So 12 minus 7 is 5 over 7. Now, if I were to torture you, but I don't, I would make you divide this by hand. But it was mean and evil. But let's use a calculator. Cool. Awesome. Which number do I plug in first?
The top one.
The top one. So practice. What do you get when you type it into a calculator?
7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1.
So 5 divided by 7 equals, can you imagine doing this by hand? Wouldn't it be awesome? We should do it.
No, thank you. I feel like Kendra would do punishment.
7, 1, 4, 2, ... Cool.
That's literally your answer?
Is this a percent? Is this a percent?
No.
No. This is a decimal, right? So when you divide and plug it into a calculator, that is called your decimal answer. Now, how do I change this decimal answer into a percent?
2 times.
Move it 2 times. 1, 2. So it would be 71.4, let's say 2%. Increase or decrease? Increase. The price went up. Okay? So today, we're going to be allowed to use a calculator. That doesn't mean I know how to use it, right? You still need to know how to use a calculator. You still got to plug in these numbers correct. Right? We're dividing by 7, not by 12. So we still have to do some work.
Why don't you write the rest? I have a question.
We're just rounding to the nearest 4th number, which is 10, 100,000, 10,000th place. Yes.
How do you know
I mean, technically I do.
increasing or decreasing?
Well, from your old to your new, did your price go up or did your price go down? Up, so that's increase. Decrease, decrease, D for down, decrease, down. Yes?
If we were rounding, wouldn't it be funny?
Yeah, I know. So when I was saying that to him, and I was like, well, that really doesn't make any sense. But it would. Yes, May, I made a mathematical error. It's the first of my life. It's fine. I will survive. As long as I know how to do math, I will survive.
And get the vaccine.
Thanks. All right. So number 7 was a repeating decimal. Okay. Are we done with this one? Okay. Because this next one is coming at you.
I'm getting a new one.
We can use a calculator. So I'm going to make an assignment for the yellow and this white one.
Can we do the calculator for the yellow one or no?
My paper.
That is a yes.
We got finally white paper on campus, kids.
We're rich
We're
now.
a rich school now, yes. We find.
When
Let's see how long it lasts.
It's probably gonna last today.
I know the teachers are all making copies in the white, and then there's way too many.
Imagine how much money those white papers would be. I thought these cost less.
How do you pay paper?
I missed the colored one. Look at the plain. Thank you. Oh.
No, I'm trying to see how many extras are in there. It was a Frank. Frank needs one. Desperately needs one. Jaylene needs one too. See? I didn't give you guys too many. I gave out just the right amount. Alright. Okay, find the percent change. Sheet 1. Work out these percent change increase and decreases. Give your answer to the nearest percent. Okay. Reminder. New minus old divided by old. Do not forget. No. Exactly. Wow, that's horrible. Okay, old. O-L-D. A remote control car costs $60. It is reduced to $45 in the sale. By what percentage was the price reduced? So what percent? Okay, so read it again. Which one's your new price? Which one's your old price?
45. Wait, the new price is 45.
So this is new, and this is old. A remote control car costs $60. It is reduced to $45 in the sale. So it was a sale. I know the ED kind of makes it past tense, but so you really have to use some really good English skills on this. A remote control car costs $60. It is reduced to, okay? So 45 minus 60 divided by 60. All right, what's 45 minus 60? Negative 15 divided by 60. Now remember, it is in the absolute value bars, but we tend not to write it. When you get a negative answer, that tells you that it is decreased because it's negative. All right, and then if you know the percent by looking at the fraction. If you don't know, oh God, type it in your calculator and tell me what the decimal is. Yep. 0.25, which is what percent? 25. Decrease. You divide the top number first, divided by the bottom number after you subtract. 15 divided by 60 equals, you get 0.25, move it twice, 25%. Are we okay? Okay. All right, try it out. You can use a calculator, but set up your problems. Sally puts $2,500 in a bank account. She takes it out 10 years later. It is now worth $41,000. $4,100. So new minus old divided by old. The hardest part is figuring out what's my new price, which one represents my new price, which one represents my old price. So plug in your numbers. What number do I write in first? 4,100 minus 2,500 divided by 2,500. You can use a calculator. Type it in. 41 minus 2,500, 1,600 over 2,500. Even if I cross the zeros out, I can just type in 16 over 25. It'll still give me the same answer. What's our decimal for number 2? 0.64, which is equal to 64% increase. Okay? Easier with the calculator?